Ancient civilizations had various skincare practices and used natural ingredients for their skincare routines. Here are some examples of ancient skincare products and ingredients. Egyptian milk and honey baths. Ancient Egyptians used to take milk and honey baths to moisturize and soften their skin. The lactic acid in milk acts as a gentle exfoliant, while honey is known for its hydrating and antibacterial properties. Greek olive oil. The ancient Greeks valued olive oil for its numerous benefits. They used it as a moisturizer, cleanser, and even as a base for perfumes. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that help nourish and protect the skin. Roman rosewater. Romans used rosewater as a toner and facial mist. They believed it helped tighten the skin and improve complexion. Rosewater is obtained through the distillation of rose petals and has soothing and hydrating properties. Ayurvedic practices. In ancient India, Ayurveda emphasized the use of natural ingredients for skincare. Some examples include turmeric, aloe vera, neem, and sandalwood. Turmeric was used for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while neem was known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Chinese herbal remedies. Traditional Chinese medicine incorporated various herbal ingredients for skincare. Ginseng, pearl powder, and green tea were commonly used. Ginseng was believed to improve circulation and rejuvenate the skin, while pearl powder was used to promote a youthful complexion. These ancient skincare practices and ingredients continue to influence modern skincare routines and product formulations. However, it's important to note that skincare has advanced significantly over time, and modern scientific research has provided a deeper understanding of skincare ingredients and their effects on the skin.